So what you can also do is you can actually utilize Copilot to generate HTML files as well. So over here, what I'm simply going to go around and say is generate a HTML file for a home page for an educational YouTube channel called TutorTube right here, just like this, which provides free of cost courses right here, just like this, and press enter. So once I go around and do that, what happens is that a simple prompt right here, just like this, says certainly right here, and then start generating out HTML code, as you can see right here. So it does take a bit of time, as you can see, and it is adding in CSS styles over here, as you can see, just like this. It is adding a header right here and so forth, and then you need to wait around until this finishes. So let me just skip to the part where it finishes generating this code. So now over here you can see that it completed generating out this code right here. So you need to go around and copy this code right here, and then you can take this onto your favorite HTML editor or even plain notepad and paste out the code right here, just like this. And once I go around and do that, you can see that this is what it generated around over here. Let me just go around onto live mode, and you can see that this is what you have. It created highlights, as you can see right here as well. It says, welcome to TutorTube. We provide high quality free education. There's free courses, and visit to our YouTube channel right here. So just like this, as you can see, now it just generated out this code right here. And that is how you can generate out HTML code inside of Microsoft Copilot easily. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.